Alright, let's look at the homework 2, problem number 2. Alright, so we want to find the first three terms of the Taylor series for f of x equals cube root of x. Alright, so let's do that. So first I'm going to rewrite f of x as x to the, right, because I don't like cube roots, I'm going to write it as a 1/3 power, right? Alright, then I'm going to evaluate it at 8. So f of 8 would be, so it's a cube root of 8, so it's 2. Right? Alright, then we take the first derivative. It's going to be, so put 1/3 in front, x, and subtract 1 from 1/3, so it's going to be negative 1/3. Right? Oh, actually, sorry, negative 2/3. Alright, I messed up. So it's a 2/3. Alright, so this is going to be, actually, I'm going to rewrite it, so it's going to be 1 over 3 times x to the 2/3. So x is going to be on the bottom. Alright, then if you plug in 8 into that, you're going to get this. Plug in 8, so 8 to the 2/3 power is 4, so it's 1 over 12. Right? And I will let you compute this guy, so f double prime, just another power rule, and then let you compute this guy right here. Alright, so I'll let you guys do that. But if you want to find the Taylor series, so Taylor series would be f of x, right? So this is going to be a summation. N goes from 0 to infinity, right? And nth derivative of f evaluated at a over n factorial. Then you have x minus a to the nth power, right? So if you write it out, the first few terms, you're going to get this. So 0th derivative, so it's going to be an original function, f of a divided by 0 factorial. 0 factorial is defined to be 1, by the way. Right? Then plus, actually, I forgot to write that. So then you have a 0 power, so maybe I should write that so that we don't get confused. Right? 0th power. Alright, and the second one, n equals 1, is going to be first derivative evaluated at a over 1 factorial. 1 factorial is actually 1 again. And you have a x minus a to the first power. Alright, then third term would be, it's going to be a second derivative at a over 2 factorial times quantity x minus a squared, and the pattern continues, right? All right, so in this particular example, a is 8, right? So this is our a, right? And of course that's the function. And so let's see. So this is going to be simply f of a, so f of a, f of 8, right? Then let's see, x minus 8 to the 0. The 0th power is 1, so this is it. 0 factorial is 1. X minus 8 to the 0th power is 1. So you're just going to get f of 8 plus, right, f prime of 8 times x minus a, right? 1 factorial is 1, right? And next term would be f double prime of 8 over 2 factorial is actually just 2, right? 2 times 1. So it's going to be x minus 8 squared, and so on, right? So this is going to be f of 8 is, we found that to be 2. Right? F prime of 8 is going to be 1 over 12 times x minus, sorry, I forgot to put 8 there. So you have 8 plus, and I'll finish it up. I'll let you guys finish it up. So you just need to have one more term, right? That's it. I hope that this will get you guys going.